The amount of water you need to drink on a daily basis will vary based off of one simple thing, two I should say. And the first simple thing is how much you weigh. It would make sense that the more you weigh, the more mass you have, and since most of your body mass is actually water, you will need to drink more water to fill that mass. The other thing is your activity level. So obviously if you are highly active, in particular in places that have a lot of humidity, where you're sweating a lot, you are going to be needing more water. So the good general rule of thumb that most people give in the fitness community is drinking half of your body weight in ounces of water per day as just a starting point. So if you weigh 200 pounds, you would drink roughly 100 ounces of water a day. And then of course, if you are very physically active, and in particular in places that have quite a bit of heat, you might want to add maybe 20 to 60 more ounces onto that. Again, this is just a general rule of thumb and something to start from. It should be played around with. Some people who eat very healthy and they eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, you might not need to drink as much water because those fruits and vegetables have a lot of water already in them. I noticed that for myself a couple of years ago. Actually, I would be peeing so much. I'm like, I'm drinking a lot of water and I feel like I need to stay hydrated, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, like eating all these fruits and vegetables, there's a lot of water in those too. So I cut back my overall water, kept my fruits and veggies the same, and I felt really good, wasn't peeing nearly as much in a healthy sense. So another thing I should mention too, normal water is great, but you need to remember that you need to replace the electrolytes. This is stuff like sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, calcium. There's a few others, but in particular sodium and potassium are going to be one of the ones that you lose a lot in sweat, in particular sodium the most. So make sure you are taking a pinch of salt with about 30 ounces of water. It doesn't need to be a lot, a quarter teaspoon of salt. If you are eating very, very healthy too, because those very, very healthy foods that are not prepackaged don't have much sodium in them, so you're going to be needing to get your electrolytes from somewhere.